The radicals within the Congress, led by Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose, became more assertive. So the radicals group consists of Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose, and they become more assertive. The liberals and moderates who were proposing a constitutional system within the framework of British dominion gradually lost their influences. And in December 1929, under the presidency of Jawaharlal Nehru, the Lahore Congress formalized the demand of Purna Swaraj or full independence for India. So the liberals and the moderates who were proposing a constitutional system of the British dominion, they gradually lost their interest or their importance from the British dominion. And in December 1929, under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru, they established a you can say a party, or they demanded Purna Swaraj, that means full independence for India. It was declared that 26 January 1930 would be celebrated as the Independence Day, when people were to take a pledge to struggle for complete independence. So on the 26 January 1930, they decided that they will celebrate this day as the Independence Day, and when the people will take a pledge or oath to struggle for complete independence. But the celebrations attracted by very attention, a very little attention. Though they had said that on 26 January 1930 they will celebrate as Independence Day, but people were not at all active or interested. So very less number of people had attend this day as the Independence Day or celebrate this day as the Independence Day. So Mahatma Gandhi had to find a way to relate these abstract idea of freedom to more concrete issues of everyday life. So finally Mahatma Gandhi decided that in order to motivate the Indians, he have to use such example or show them such incident which will increase their patriotism or love for the country, and finally they will be united, and finally they can fight against the British rule.